Why don't we have any customers today? The Krusty Krab literally opened 1 minute ago. Exactly! We should have a line of customers by now. So I got this today, and yes, you know, I heard that Spongebob Pez Dispensers existed, but, I mean, I wasn't aware that they were a new thing. I kinda thought these were around a long time ago. I'm confused. But glad I found this. Now watch me unbox it. So I was in Walmart, and I went to the checkout line thing, and I saw this. In fact, I actually made a video of me getting this, so I'm gonna put up an annotation and click that to see the video where I got this. Anyways, yeah, here's the Spongebob Pez Dispenser. Okay, so it's been a while since I've had a Pez dispenser of any kind, really. But I saw a SpongeBob one, and, well, I needed it. They also had Patrick, Squidward, and Gary there, too, and I plan to get those as well the next few times I go to Walmart. Or who knows, maybe I'll just get a $5 bill and go buy the rest of them all. Okay, I'm making some progress. Oh look, I also got this big bag here that I filled with SpongeBob cereal. That's to keep ants from getting in it. Okay, I'm making some progress. Maybe I should set this down. Yeah, sorry about that lag. Okay, I'm just gonna stop making loud noises and... yeah, this is much easier to open with 2 hands. Okay, and... okay, I'm opening it. And dispenser out. Whoa. Let's get the candies out, and I did it. Okay, so... here it is. The Spongebob Pez Dispenser. I was kind of wondering how candies go in here before I saw how they go in there, but how the hell do I load this thing up? Once again, it's been a while since I had one of these. Do I? Whoa, I think I broke it. Oh, no. Oh, wait a second, I remember now. Alright, so I got either lemon or grape. Yeah, let's go with grape, because I got 2 lemons. Okay. Ow, son of a... ah. Okay. Oh, wait a second. This is YouTube. I can swear for real. Son of a bitch. Okay. I need to get the rest of these candies out of here. Just pile them in my hand. Piling them in my hand. To load the dispenser with them because... I don't know, that's how you eat them, I guess. I mean, you could just eat these, but... I mean, where'd be the fun in that? Man, they're really starting to smell like grape suckers. Had a lot of grape suckers in my day. That being a few years ago. I haven't had a sucker in a long while. Ever since that SpongeBob one from the Easter egg video. So, you know, it falls into my mind that if I were to do a lot of editing on this, then it would probably be a better quality video, but, I mean, you don't want to see me make an amazing quality video, right, other people watching? Okay, One doesn't fit. I'll throw it over there. Okay. So, candy is dispensed, I guess. Okay, now, let's watch me eat it. Okay, so, gonna eat this Pez candy now that I dispensed out of here. Not as hard as I thought it would be. Oh dear, Neptune. Oh man. It tastes like death. This is... Oh man, this is not that good. Ah. Man. This is not that good of candy. I can tell you, these are just not that good. Why can't I stop eating them? So that was the Spongebob Pez Dispenser. Now, I only ate some of the grape candies, but I got lemon ones too, and I doubt they taste that great, but I don't know. I'll tell you how they are in the description of the video, so... And I guess this is it, so... Yeah. So subscribe to me, subscribe to my second channel, and follow the links in the description. I will see you next time.